Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful balloon garland, perfect for a aloha party. If you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching.
So this is not my first video for reviewing Shein products, but this is just like seriously, they're surprising me every time. And every time I'm like, I'm gonna try this to see. But the product's good, guys. It really, really is. So this particular garland that I used almost all the balloons, or did I? I think I did. I used all the balloons. I also used number 8. That was their foil number as well, and a flamingo, and they all turned out perfect. And I left it for a few days, and the balloons, they stayed nice. They were inflated, they didn't deflate, they were just like nice. None of them popped. And I even bought the ALOHA sign, very well made. Like I'm very impressed by Shein, like really, and it's really, really worth it. So I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested to see where to purchase it. And so I know that their products sometimes get discontinued, so I'm still gonna link it, and if it's there, it's there, and if not, I'm sorry. But yeah, very, very impressed. Good product. I really loved it, and I highly, highly recommend you guys trying out their balloon party decor and have a look at it. It's this video is not sponsored, but very, very good. So basically what I did is that I inflated my balloons, and with a fishing wire, I simply attached my balloons to the fishing wire, and then I created that nice garland that I attached it to my rods. I'm lucky because I have rods, but if you don't have rods like that, you could just use command hooks. So you just glue your command hooks to wherever you want, and then just attach your fishing wire to your command hooks, and that is it. You will get the same look. Also, if you have like little gaps here and there, you can actually glue balloons in the little gaps using balloon dots, and then just cover them up. And then I finished the look with those cute leaves. I was lazy. It was just for a video purpose, but I just placed them in between balloons, and it was quite hell because they kept falling out. But if I was doing this particular garland for a client or a party, I would actually glue those leaves with glue dots to the balloon. But I was lazy, so they kept falling off. It was anyway, the final results was wow. I really, really liked it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.